So yesterday we spent the entire day in bed and we're literally bloody paralysed from the weed gummy we did, and literally got to 5 PM and I was like, I still can't fucking move, but we soldiered on and got a cab and went out to dinner and saw Santa Monica Pier, and at dinner, like, we didn't say one word, we were both just stun mullet mode, like deliriously tired. Like, and today we're going to Universal Studios, so that's gonna be fun. I can't wait to see bloody Hogsmeade, Harry Potter Land. Woo, it'll be cool. We're entering Hogsmeade. Fetch me a butterbeer. About to go on the Harry Potter ride.
Keep your voices down. Everyone's going to be fine, but let's make this quick. You've travelled far.
It's been a while since I've been on a roller coaster, and that was fucking epic. Oh my god. We found the car.
Got you right now. We're gonna take you to London. This very intense scene where it got pushed off.
All in safe zone.
getting to everywhere by night time, and then all the clouds come in like straight away, and it's like hazy as.
We tried to be really quick, but we did far out.
We've missed the sunset. This is the sunset.